Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover deleted Instagram stories. So let's jump into it. So open up your Instagram. So first, let's add up a story. Let's choose random pictures from here. So here, we added a story. Now let's delete it. Now to recover deleted stories, tap your profile icon in the lower corner of your screen. In the following options, tap on Your Activity and then tap on Recently Deleted. And here, you can see all your deleted stories. So let's select this one. Tap on the three dots in the lower right corner and then tap on Restore. So that's about it, guys. That's how you can restore deleted stories in Instagram. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.